Hello guys, it's louisemcjagger again. Welcome back to my channel. It's the beginning of another season of RuPaul's Drag Race. So to continue this thing that I've been doing na recreating the queen's looks. Yung looks natin this time, habang nag-run yung season, is gagayahin natin yung mga weekly na nananalo dun sa runway, yung final runway walk nila. So I hope na ma-achieve natin to and let's try to do our best. Anyway, let's go to our tutorial. Gagayahin natin. That's the first episode, which is ano nga ba ang title ng episode? Basta parang creating a look ng gamit yung parang, oh my gosh, para kung hindi nanood, kakanood ko lang. Anyway, it's a low-budget look. Tapos gamit lang yung mga pin-provide na materials sa kanila. And ang nanalo is si Miss Mayhem Miller. Okay. Yung concept ng look natin is not to imitate yung creation nila. Is to try to make it look a little lang, ha? A little bit wearable. Tapos fit pa rin dun sa face natin. Okay? Anyway, screenshot lang to dun sa episode. This is Miss Mayhem's look. Again, let's remove all of this and I will see you dun sa tutorial. Hi guys! Ayan. So, I've removed my makeup na. Medyo may residue lang ng kilay because I'm trying out this new product na, well, supposedly, mas matagal siya mag-last. I was debating a while ago kung unahin ko yung foundation like how the queens do it. Or unahin ko yung eyes. Pero dahil hindi naman ako ganap na queen at hindi tayo ganun kagaling, unahin natin yung eyes. Tapan lang natin ang ating mga mata dahil medyo yung pinaka-look niya is wing tas glitter. So, yun yung focus natin. Lagyan ko lang ng tape yung eyes ko. Gotta prime the eyelids. And ang gagamitin ko ulit ang aking favorite na concealer pagdating sa ganitong makeup looks. Mary Kay. And Mary Kay Perfecting Concealer. This is the color Deep Beige. Kuha lang ulit kayo ng brush. Set natin. This is the Morphe M504. Tama ba? Morphe M504. So, this is the Detail Makeover Ecru palette. And I will be using, nandito yung names eh. This one. This is called, okay, liwanag pa more. Biscuit. Hindi siya super white guys ha. Parang medyo pale na I will be using, this is Mary Kay na blending brush. I don't know if they still make this, pero Eye Crease brush. Ayan, blending brush. Kunin natin yung shade na Pecan. And ito muna. Thatch Brown. Kunin muna natin si Thatch Brown. And sundan lang natin yung elbow. Take a blending brush na walang product. Blend lang natin yung edges. So again, this is another Mary Kay brush. Eye crease din. Ayan. So ito yung shape niya. So any brush will do. Kuha tayo ng medyo mas darker na color. Tapos lagay natin dun sa ilalim ng transition na nilagay natin dun. So, I'll get from the Ecru palette. Kunin ko, mix ako ng ano ba to? Buff. Ito. Buff. Tsaka, oops, sorry. Ito yung buff na shade. Tapos, pecan, whatever. Pecan, tsaka buff. Ayan. So, dun lang tayo sa, dun sa brow bone pa din. Pero dahil mas pointed na, dun lang tayo sa ilalim nung ginawa nating transition. Basta wag niyong papatungan yung ginawa natin kanina. Cause, yun yung parang gradient effect eh. Parang pa-fade siya dun. Ayan, meron pa tayong natirang, swatches pa more. Ayan, meron pa tayong natirang concealer kanina. So, I'll get like, flat lang. Flat na brush, ganyan. Pang-pack on ng color yan. Here, ayan, flat lang siya. Then, kuha lang ng concealer, tapos ikakot lang. Hindi naman ikakot, pero linisin lang natin yung ilalim para medyo mas lumaki yung lid space natin. Kunin nyo yung brush na pinang-set nyo kanina and use the same color lang din yung pinang-set natin kanina ng eyes, which is BISCUIT from the Ecru palette. And set lang ulit natin yung So, I'll be using Andiron from the palette and haluan ko ulit ng buff para hindi naman super dark. Dun lang sa dulo nung, ito super pointed ulit na brush. Dun lang sa dulo nung concealer na nilagay. Tapos, gagamit tayo nitong Maybelline 24-Hour Color Tattoo. There we go. Maybelline 24-Hour Color Tattoo. Oops. Pala. This is in the shade 55. Inked and Pink. There we go. So, gagamitin lang natin to as base color kasi this is very pink. Ayan. Yung color niya. Very icy. Gamitin lang natin as base. Tapos papatungan din natin ang shadow mamaya. Okay guys, I am back with a vengeance dahil may kilay na tayo. Okay, next na gagawin natin is eto na naman tayo. Eyeliner na naman tayo. Okay, so yung liner natin today is from inner corner up to dito sa dulo. Meron tayo. So, alright, gagamitin ko ngayon is the Colourette Intensif-eye Eyeliner in Cleo. Time for foundation. Local lang ulit tayo. Gamit lang ako ng primer. Although, hindi ako alis, pero para lang medyo protected ang ating skin. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Okay, for foundation, dahil very matte ulit ang look nila, use the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Matte and Poreless. My shade is 230 Natural Buffies. So, blend ko lang muna sa back of my hand, ganyan. Kasi when warm up ko yung product, it usually helps talaga dun sa pag-absorb niya sa skin mo pag nagwa-warm up ka ng product. gonna be using a brush. This is the Morphe M436. There we go. Ang laking buffing brush nito. Ayan. Super big na buffing brush. Mabilis to mag-blend out. So, set lang tayo with powder. Gagamitin kong powder. Ang aking favorite na powder, RCMA No Color Powder. Ay, sorry. Yung brush na gamit ko, Morphe E41. Yan. And super laking powder brush. Super sarap sa face. Super favorite. And then, yung gagamitin ko for my under eyes na brush, same powder, pero gamitin ko yung Morphe M438. Ayan siya, tapered siya. Here. So, mas maabot niya yung corners. So, yung sa under eye niya, gagawin lang is i-connect yung ilalim papunta dito sa taas na part. So, i-connect from here up to there. Gagamitin ko is Bilena color pencil. And ang favorite natin na contouring palette at ang ginagamit ko, the only contouring palette that I actually use. Ito, Detail Makeover Contour and Blush Palette. Super favorite ko talaga nito. Ewan ko ba. So, ang gagamitin kong brush is Morphe R10. There we go. It's rose gold. It's kind of flat na fluffy. Ayan. Ganyan siya. So, gamitin natin siya dito. Then, syempre, contour the nose. Ayan. Ang gagamitin kong brush, Morphe E47. It's like this. It's dense. Tapos, angled siya. Tapos, ganyan. Medyo thick. So, ang gagamitin ko is itong bronze na shade. Masyadong harsh to for me. Hindi ko carry. Bronze na shade lang. So, naka-contour na ang nose. But this is too harsh of a line for me. So, ang ginagawa ko is gumagamit ako ito. Angled siya na fluffy and hindi siya super dense. Tapos, blend out ko lang yung edges sa gilid. Para lang mukhang mas natural. Natural yung contour natin sa nose. Alright. And then, for blush, yung blush niya, wait lang. Yung blush niya, ano ba yung blush niya? Ayan, medyo dito lang din, sa ibabaw ng contour na shade. Tapos, parang warm terracotta yung color. So, ano bang warm terracotta ko ito? This is Super BB Blusher. And, nabilit ko to sa WeDo, yung shop, gano'n. Hindi ko alam ko anong brand. Pero, 50 pesos lang to, guys. Super BB Blusher, ayan. Pero, doesn't matter. Just look for ganyang shade. Parang terracotta-ish na shade. Medyo light kasi tignan niya. There. Terracotta shade. Brush I'm gonna be using is Morphe M437. There we go. So, ganyan siya. Fluffy na, short lang na fluffy. And medyo flat na may konti. Konti lang yung pagka-round niya sa taas. proceed na tayo sa lips. Yung lips na ginamit niya is nude na glossy. As in, glossy talaga. And it's been a while since I've done glossy lips. Pero ang gagamitan natin ngayon is yung Maybelline na So Nude na NU37. There we go. Ito yan. Maybelline So Nude NU37. And yung Colourpop, this is from the Karrueche collection. Ultra Glossy Lip and Contessa. There we go. And super glittery, super glossy, super love. Ayan. Okay? So, ito muna gamitin natin. Baka hindi na ako mag-liner. Pero if ever, pwede ako mag-liner over this. So, ito muna gamitin natin. Ayan. I think this is too nude. Kailangan niya ng konting pink para ma-achieve natin yun. So, lagyan ko lang ng konting liner sa gilid. This is Detail Makeover Detail Makeover Lippie Liner in Brow. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look natin from Miss Mayhem, the winner of episode 1. So I hope you guys like my tutorial today and I hope you come back to my channel and subscribe. Share niyo yung video kung feeling niyo nakatulong and kung feeling niyo meron pang tao na mas gustong makakita ng ganitong casting videos. And please comment down below if you want me to create other makeup looks or what kind of videos you want me to do. Like my Facebook page, Twitter. Follow nyo ako sa Twitter at sa Instagram kasi nag-update ako doon kung meron ako mga uploads. So, I hope you like this makeup look and I hope to see you again next time. Bye guys!